Hi guys, Sarah the Tiger MG here for another video. And today we're going to do the same thing. Because, today we're going to draw. But I haven't got any ideas yet. So, maybe someday you guys can pick what video are we gonna make. So I'm gonna put you right here, and I'm gonna get the paper first. Okay, wait.
Udah mulai itu, Mbak. Iya. Tapi itu Bu, kalau kelamaan ternyata tumbuh itu belatungnya. Misalnya kalau hampir busuk gitu loh. Kan kemarin masih
There's actually more pictures that I'm going to show you guys. You guys wait here again.
ada belatungnya tiga-tiganya. Berarti udah kalau matang dimakan gitu. Kalau udah agak mau menghitam tuh ada belatungnya.
So these are the pictures that I colored last week. Let me just put this.
Si Jacob nanti dibangunin ya, Mbak. Jangan sampai telat makan.
Right here is sheep counting.
Kakak nggak boleh nonton YouTube ya. Mau belajar IPA kakak ya? Iya, belajar IPA di rumah. Iyalah, mau remedial minggu depan. Harus belajar. Kakak kayak masih di keramas lagi deh, Mami dapat kutu 2. Gede-gede, Mbak.
Mami pemirsa, aku lagi bikin video.
Gede-gede.
Aku lagi bikin video. Sorry guys, that's my mom. Okay, so after sheep.
Dari kakak tuh terbang kemarin kali pas aku ingin dia dandanin.
It's supposed to be like this. This is YouTube, and I love it so much. My next picture is the sky. This is Mars. And this is Jupiter. This is the moon. These two are stars. So next one. Oh yeah, first of all, make sure to link down below which one is your favorite. This one, 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 or this one. Now let's get started on drawing. Since this is the newest time, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is 03 Tiger, and today we're going to be drawing something. Maybe we're going to draw a volcano, because I want to draw a volcano. The next week, you guys are going to choose what am I going to draw. So let's start this. Today is Sunday, so I can stay at home. This is still morning, that's why I'm wearing sleeping clothes. First we're gonna draw with breath. Just wait, guys, just wait. Okay, so first you better draw this one. And then you better color it first so you know what you're doing. We're almost done of coloring the volcano. It's not gonna be too long because I'm using my dad's phone to camera myself. So let's just keep going. So, the brown part is done. Now, the red, because volcano needs to be having a volcano, you know? Volcano is colored red. The lava part needs to be red. What else? No, not red lipstick, red color. So this is going super well. No! Guys, I'm super sorry. Guys, I'm so sorry. Wah, kesakitan. Guys, I'm super sorry. I cannot work with it anymore. Ah, mbak kok ditaruh kayak gitu? Kayak tadi dong. Okay guys, we're back on drawing. I'm sorry about my little brother. It's always like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put you back right here. Now we've done the red. Now it's time. Oh, I know. Let's add a little more pictures. This is gonna be amazing.
Semuanya doyan.
This is amazing. Phew. Okay, so I'm safe still. There's going to be meteors crashing to the volcano. So let's get orange, of course. Okay, it's okay, guys. Oh, you guys see something? Oh, that's just colors. Okay. So now, this is color. It's brushing now. Because of it, I'm going to use red too. Okay, so we're almost done making a volcano. Better at 3D. So, this picture is now like this. Isn't it cool, guys? You sure do. So this is gonna have little baby volcanoes that's not erupting yet. So down here is little baby volcanoes. I'm gonna put you guys right there. So the little baby volcanoes are not erupting because they're still babies, so they didn't erupt yet. But the big ones already erupted. pretending these are baby volcanoes. Show! Sorry guys, it's my dad. He's weird. So pretending there's three baby volcanoes that's around. So 3 baby volcanoes are now erupting. So this is a full-on amazing picture. Look at this picture. These 3 are the baby volcanoes that hasn't erupted, like the big volcano with the red and flowed down here. So guys, this is the end. Comment down below which one is your favorite picture.
Gitu ya, kakak bantu Mbak ya.
Yeah, see ya. Ah? Okay, bye guys.
Adenya ya.
Yeah.